Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. It's never 10 minutes and it's never 10 minutes wasted. It's not going to be 10 minutes this week either, because I'm resurrecting the 2-minute Tuesday tip format. That's coming up next. So yeah, the Tuesday videos have been getting a bit long. It started before Christmas with the gift ideas series, because I wanted to get those through on time, and then it sort of carried on a bit. So not every video warrants a full 10 minutes, and the 2-minute tip ideas seem to be working quite well. So we've got a quick tip for you today, and possibly over the next few Tuesdays as well. And today's is all about marking out. You know, sometimes all you want to do is mark the centre of a piece of narrow stock like this. Maybe it's for a dowel, maybe it's for a domino, maybe you just need to find the centre of it to put a nail through it. There's lots of ways that you can do this. You know, the traditional ways are with a marking gauge, where you take it and you go back and forth, tapping and trying to find the centre until you get it right. Or you can do the old school way with just a pencil, and you try and mark it in around the centre as best you can and hope you don't move. Or you can use a combination square, that sort of thing. The easiest, simplest way that I find to do that is just to take a piece of scrap. Almost anything will do. You rest it up against one side of the stock you're trying to mark, and you put a pencil mark in there. Then you flip it over and do the same again to the other side. And now you've got two lines very close together, and you know that the centre is exactly between those two. So it's really easy to find that centre line. That's it. That's all you've got to do. You get a centre line every time, and it requires nothing but a pencil and a little block of scrap. So that's it for this week's quick tip. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it out amongst your friends, and do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Oh hey, just check back on a Friday, and there's always something new up at noon. I'll see you then. Take care.